time has arrived to announce our winner. The winning three songs were judged by our jury: Roseanne Cash, Laurie Anderson, Anthony Barfield, and Sandra Cisneros. Anthony is actually with us tonight. Anthony, can you just step outside for a second? And thanks so much for working with us. Anthony Barfield.
And so the winner of the Anthem to Us project is the song Let Them Fly, composed by Martha Redbone and Aaron Whitby. And please welcome to the stage our lyricist for the winning anthem, Jessy Tomsko.
In this land of freedom, let all be free to dream, to learn, to do, to be. In this land of plenty, let us all have our fill, that we may live and love as we will. May we raise our own flag, let it fly. For loyalty, pride, for injustice defied. Land of riches, let it all have health and ever treasure the commonwealth. In this land of labor, may we toil for good, and through understanding let us be understood. May we raise our own flag, hold it high, in peace and in memory of every battle cry. Come on, Jessy. This land of many, let each one sing, and from our joined voices let harmony spring under that banner of red, white, and blue. You carry me, and I'll carry you. May we raise our own flag, let it fly. May we all unify. Let them fly, let them fly. Let them fly, everybody. Let them fly, everybody. Let them fly. Let them fly. Let them fly. All the people, let them fly. 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 Let them fly.
Thank you. Amazing. That song is going to be being sung 100 years from now.